How to fix you should only open attachments from a trustworthy source message in Outlook. The you should only open attachments from a trustworthy source message in Outlook is a security warning indicating that an incoming email contains an attachment that Outlook's filters have flagged as potentially unsafe or suspicious. Here are a few tips on handling this warning. Do not open attachments from unknown senders or attachments you were not expecting, even if the message looks legitimate. This is a common malware tactic. Hover over the attachment and preview the file type and extension. Make sure it matches what you'd expect from the sender. Contact the sender through a separate verified communication channel to confirm they intentionally sent the attachment. Run a virus scan on the message and attachment before opening just to be safe. Adjust your Outlook junk email filter settings to be more aggressive if you receive this warning frequently. Never click links in suspicious emails either, even if no attachment. Links can download malware. Report confirmed phishing emails and scams to your IT security team to bolster protections. Enabling two-factor authentication provides an extra layer of protection for your email from malicious actors. When in doubt, it's best to play it safe and not open an attachment if Outlook flags it. Always use caution with email to avoid malware or viruses.